Be nice. Hey, this one too. Good babies. Oh, don't go under there. Come here. Houdini, I can't watch all under there. Why is there poop smear on my floor?
When the internet gets weird, it gets smarter and way funnier.
Drink water, pal.
Meet sloptalk.com, TikTok for AI videos. Stuff you can't stop sending, saving.
Bringing life in the world is very exciting, but there are also some risks that come with that. So for her safety, it's best that she doesn't. Having had these two babies, they'll add a lot to the group.
Yeah, well, thanks for doing it.
Yeah, it's good. Very exciting news for us. Continue to grow our Pilates group, and we're really excited to have another baby.
Goodbye, evergreen. You know I love you, but everything heaven sent must burn out in the end. I promised you, just as you were in my dream. Now let me off easy, and I'll slip down through the drain to release my scattered brain. My enemy, something just isn't right. I cut from the inside. I'm frightened of the end. I'm drowning in my self-defense. Now punish me, think of me as what you will. I grow like a cancer. I'm pressed out in the rain. Can we be friends sweetly before the mystery ends? I love you more than the world can contain in its lonely and ramshackle head. There's only a shadow of me. In a matter of speaking, I'm dead.
Whoa. You gotta see this.
Whoa. Whoa.
Do you receive my echo? My life is a party, my home is a club. I party like a rock star, and until I drop, my life is a party, my home is a club. Damn! Damn!
Frenchie is coming. Oh no, it went away. Teddy, what are you doing? I think you got it, bud.
Smiling at this capybara spa day? Tap that like. It helps us keep the animal fun coming. Got a favorite duo? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss more goats and sweaters. Share this with a
Doing great. Obviously, you can tell from the upload schedule. Got some health issues of my own going on now. It's fine. It's
Love animal shenanigans? Smash that like, this meerkat's watching. Share it with that friend who sends you cat gifts. Drop a comment, our raccoon reads every one. And hit subscribe. One paw and you're in the pack. Every click helps us.
Oh, no. I can't. Okay, wait.
I have to send this.
Cringe.com. Bookmark it. Share it. You can't look away.
Scroll, laugh, replay. It's YouPounce, the TikTok for pet and animal videos. Dogs that skate, goats that bounce, birds that boogie. Tap to bookmark, tap to share, because cute is better.